The 1933 Chrysler Imperial 8 Series CQ Coupe. Guess what? Another resto mod. This one's got a 350 cubic inch V8, which you look at this car and you would not picture this as a resto mod, right?
Right.
You would just say, oh, that looks like a 1933 Chrysler. That's what a pretty car. And again, it's got one of the features that you and I have talked about and we seem to like more and more. It doesn't have the dual side mounts, which gives it a more sleek look from the fenders. You kind of lose that sleek fender flow, if you will, when those dual side mounts are mounted there. And they were mounted there from a practicality reason.
Sure.
Because you blew tires all the time.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
You know, you're just driving down the road, pow, there goes your tire.
Roads were rougher back then.
And there wasn't a place to get it fixed.
Right.
So what did you do? You know, you carried two spares, or they even stacked them two on the back well, too. So you have two instead of the trunk in the back. But this one's got a 700 R4 automatic, beautifully applied paint, again, heat and air. A real classic-looking car with a resto mod.
You would never know.
No, with a modern reliability. So check that one out. All these can be checked out on our website, classicautomall.com.